What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video out here in Watts. Let's go. Hopefully you guys were able to hit up a ton of Nike outlets before the 20% off member sale, or 20% off for members, whatever the hell their sales. Hopefully you guys were able to hit a bunch Nike outlets up. I'm hitting up a ton today. Let's go. See something up there. I see something up there. I also see the 20% off entire purchase. That is pretty fire. But yeah, I also see these. Look at this. Look at this. I knew that we'd get plenty of returns. If you live in the area, I would definitely keep an eye on this place, because I have a feeling these will eventually end up on the wall. These were available on sneakers for a while, even a size 10 women's. Was it size 10 or 11? It was 11 and something. But one of them sat. Was readily available, so people aren't jumping on these. So I doubt they're gonna sell here. So they'll probably be on the wall in a minute, maybe by the end of the week or something. I don't know. But yeah, man, nice to know that these are here, man. Got plenty. I have a feeling they're getting plenty of these, dude. And then they do got these. These are the slightly better than the Panda ones. Sale Mitchell. I didn't notice the Mitchell was sale. Okay. Or the refurbished section, is it together? Is it? Trying to remember if it's separate or if it's together. Hope you guys aren't tired of seeing the 20 and 20 sales, especially after a dance. My bad, you guys. I try to get as many as possible. I try to come here earlier, but my work schedule didn't really work out. So yeah, like I said, I'm putting out a short, so hopefully you guys get that before. You got one of the resellers doing it real big right here. Look at this. We're grabbing all these. I think he's grabbing these right here, 30 bucks. Probably Amazon sale for those. Been looking for an 8.5 for a kid that I know. Yeah, GT Cut 2s. I always love getting refurbished stuff here. 102 for those. That's a refurbished. Air Force Ones. These are Flyknit. Yeah, these are awful. 65 for those. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. These would be fantastic if they're better color. But these are an 8 though. Those are what, an $80. Got retros here. Got Jordan retros. Got some 6s here. I forgot what color this is. I don't know. I don't remember what color this is. But yeah, this is Nubuck right here. That is a size 9. Go for 2 bills. 20 and 20, man. That's really dope. $195 right here for these. Okay. I don't know what the hell that is. That's some sort of one of the 37s. Go for $195. Not much of a selection at all for the 8.5s. Got the Air Max 90s right there. Size 7 Jordan 1 low golf right here. $84. That's like new. Tiger Woods golf right here. I don't want to touch that. The box is gonna just fall out. What are these? They got all kinds of pictures and stuff on the actual shoe. What the hell? What is this? Zoom GP Turbo Osakas. Okay, got bananas, got different snacks on them. That's definitely an interesting silhouette. $150 for those. Oh, I was like, Jordan 11? I was like, no, that ain't no Jordan 11 low IE. We wasted that box on that bad boy right there. I think I'm like in the size 9, but I see a lot of 10s here. $150 for these. Dunk 85s right here. $140 for those. That's a 9.5. Size 10 go for $90 to Lucas. These going for $140 here. Nike by you Air Max 95. These have been here forever now. 108. These are gonna keep going down. It's like woven or something. Super interesting. But yeah, don't look that dope. What's this? I was like, that's definitely not an AJKO box. There's no way those are 2 bills either. Jordan 1. These are some comforts. These are $120 for those. That's a pretty solid price. KDs right here, size 10, $130. I saw these a minute ago. These are a steal. Zion 2s going for $60. Are you serious? $60 freaking dollars. Then you get that 20 and 20. So these come out so freaking cheap. What is this, like 35 bucks, something like that? $35 for Zion 2s. This is gently worn. I don't really see any wear on them. was wondering if I should get this for my kiddo. These run hella tight though, so I might need to even get him a size 10 because these run that tight. Yeah, these are cheap. Size 12 Jordan 1 lows, $110. These some Terminators. What are these? Oh, Blazer mids, but it has that weird Nike on the back. That is interesting. The materials are really interesting too. Suede up top and then buck leather on the back. Tumbled buck leather. That's interesting. 100 for those, size 13. Air Force One highs right here, go for 125. Witness, what is it? Sixes going for $50. That's a steal. It's an awful colorway though. Size 12 Griffies right here. 85 for those. Got mids right here, go for 135. Remember, you did get 20 and 20. I did put out a short. I also talked about it on Wednesday, so I hope you guys know about this, about the 20 plus 20 deal. And it is off of everything on the back wall as well as most other shoes. It doesn't apply to items that are, it doesn't apply to items that end in 00 unless it's on the back wall. So it does work on this, but certain things it doesn't apply. I think off of the satin breads, they're not giving the 20 off of that. But yeah, I think it will be on the back wall by the end of the week though. So we'll see, because I don't think those are gonna move. $150 for these right here. These are size 13. The Metcons right here go for 120, size 13. Got these Ambush Adjust Forces right here. This is a dope colorway. Reminds me of the Travis Scott's. It is a fire colorway. Just not a huge fan of that silhouette. That is going for retail though. What was that? $130? $130 retail? $210 retail. Holy cow. Pegasus 89s right here. Go for 55. Got these right here, size 15, $93. What a deal. Gently worn. Yeah, not much today. Maybe I'm too late with the sale and stuff. Reselling home right there. He's finding plenty on sale. I haven't been here in like a month, so we'll definitely check out the aisles. Dude got 36s right here. Got 37s, going for cheaper than the 36s. Take 1 4s. This is Westbrook's budget line right here. That's the 4th gen. There's the 1st gen right here. I think the 1st gen actually looks better than the 4th gen. Zoom Generations. Bitty Tray 5.9s. And these are gonna continue to go down, I would assume, right? Because they're at every outlet. Zoom Freak 4s. Immortalities. These are all the 2nd generations. Backwards Nike swoosh on all of them, huh? That's interesting. Got the Jaws, the Moran. This is his first signature shoe right here. Got a million of these. I'm gonna skip these because we see these at every Nike outlet we go to. These are the Team Jordans right here. The Zoom 92s. They made a Travis Scott version of these, didn't they, a while back? Then they got the Jetman 2021s. Pegasus 38s. Multiple colorways. This one with the Wolf Gray Hyper Pink on it. 39s right here. Pegasus Next Natures. Been looking for running shoes for kids, size 8.5. They don't have this one, dude. Dang it. I bought a size 9, but yeah, I don't think that'll fit them. So dang it, don't have them. Damn you, Nike. That Zoom X, man. I know about that Zoom X. People have been telling me on the comment section. I was like, I know about the Zoom X, fools. I've been talking about Zoom X since what, the Pegasus 35 Turbos came out. That was what, 5 years ago. Pegasus Trail 3s, got a couple of those. Infinity Run React Flyknit 3s. And that one I would definitely get the double discount on that one, 20 and 20. And they got a bunch of Air Forces. Wanted to talk about these because yeah, we saw these at some of the aisles. And I think it's cheaper here, $80. I don't think we've seen it for under 100 at most spots. Yeah, I think we saw it for more than 100, but they did offer that 20 and 20. I think it's cheaper here though, $80. And they got tons and tons of Air Forces. We've seen a majority of these at most spots. Do got a couple of J's here. Like this, you don't get the discount, but this one you do. And I got a couple of mids right here, and the AJKO actually, mids and AJKO. All right, let's look at some of the apparel, 20% off, and then 20% off right here as well. And then you get that extra 20% off for members for today. Hopefully you guys were able to take advantage. I really hope you guys did. I put up a short, and I reminded you guys $25 for these, so 20 and 20 off. Holy crap. These are going for hella cheap. But who wants flowers? How many dudes want flowers on their hoodies? Dude got this jersey right here. This is a TJ Watt jersey, right? JJ Watt, that fool's with the Cardinals, and then this fool, $1.75. But you do get that 20 and 20, which is freaking fire if you're a Pittsburgh fan. Yeah, wow. Nike fleece right here going for $90. That is an XL. Jordan fleece, $50. These are small. $45 for these right here. That's a medium. T-shirts, all these t-shirts go for $20. Apparently the sweat section right here, we've seen these at pretty much every outlet. And what these go for? $55. Not bad, especially with the extra discounts. Regular sweats right here. Nike baseball sweats. That's pretty fire. What they going for? They're $40 for those. Got some super baggy sweats right here. Going for, oh, this one's $130. Holy cow. It's just like, oh, it's tech fleece. That's right, dope. And in the back section right here, they do got shorts. Super thin basketball shorts if you need those. Also got like some khaki shorts right here. Got, oh, these are some nice fleece shorts, but super thin. They do got these backpacks right here. These are the faux suede ones. Super, super nice. $55 for both of those. Then these are going for $75 here, but you do get that extra 20%. So kind of similar price. Too bad they don't work for me. And by me, of course, I mean my kiddo, because that's where I grabbed those for. What are these? Vapor Jet gloves. More gloves. And these are also a small. $50. Oh, dang, I got mine for $40. Then the 20 and 20 off. So a little bit more here. Regular price, but at least you get 20 and 20 off. Kid section goes from right there to right here. Super, super small kid section. 2Y right here, 6Y. Almost everything is just 6 and 7s. Not really much to show you guys though. Checking out the women's section. Do got Nike Calm slides right here going for $50. Can do a size 10 in a women's for the kid I'm trying to buy some for, but nah, I don't really see much, dude. Not really much worth even showing. We're gonna go next door. Let's go next door. Wait, right before I leave, we need to check these out. Look at this, $40 off. So these bad boys going for $50. You get 40 and then 20 off on top. So that is kind of crazy. If you like, what are these, aviators? These are going for 70, and then you get that 40 and 20. So almost 60% off. That is kind of insane. Am I dumb? Like, I'm not, okay. What the hell? Not bad. Not bad. There aren't too many of these, obviously, but you know, not bad. Not bad. Say, look, doing it big. I told you guys they're doing it big right here. All right, let's go. All right, next door, do got a Ross. Right next door. Let's go. Do got these things. These go for hella lot. $1.50, and it is down to $40. That is just super bright though. That is a double XL. Been seeing Lakers merch. This is just the U Apparel or U brand or whatever the hell. NBA apparel, so $20. Not really high end or nothing though. Got all kinds of Nike tennis ball jackets right here. These are large. Went for $150 down to $40. A bunch of sizes. Got them in large, double XL. Is that an Aaron Donald jersey? Yeah, man. Aaron Donald jersey. I guess it was a return. They were too lazy to make another tag. This is an XL, and these have been going for what, $40? $40, yeah. Blank football jersey, normally $80. XL down to $10. Got a Street Fighter hoodie. What characters they got? E Honda, Vega, and Ryu. Ryu on the front. These bad boys going down to $15. Lakers t-shirt right here. This one don't look too bad. $10, kind of big though. Short section looking pretty dead. Pretty dead. And they even got like underwear up here. What the hell? Yeah, but pretty dead. Antisocial? Is that the Antisocial brand? No, it's not, man. That's pretty bootleg. What the hell? I am checking the jackets because plenty of y'all been finding all kinds of dope stuff. I haven't been finding nothing. Well, not recently. I've had plenty of good finds. I'm just saying lately I've not been finding the stuff that you guys have been finding because some of y'all have been finding some heat. All right, we are moving on to the sneakers right here. The hell is this? What is this? Pegasus Trails right here. Alarms. Oh, I didn't even touch that one, fool. Yeah, alright, man, that's annoying. $80 for those, holy cow. Got more of these. I've been looking for these. And at $10, these are men's, so size 8. Do I know anybody that wears a size 8? Because these are just fire as gifts and stuff. Do I know anybody that wears a size 8? This part's a little bit dirty, I think, though. I'm going to leave those alone. Vans boots, is that what these are? Yep, Vans boots. Going for $40. Another one of those right here, size 12. Ooh, I think I might need this one. Oh, I might need this one actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. That thing is still tripping. Be tripping. Damn you, alarm, damn you. Bigger sizes got some cocoonies right here. These are ugly, $60. Those are size 10 too, what the hell? Well, supposed to be the bigger sizes. No price tag. Oh, these are $30 for these Uggs. Are these fake? Yeah, these are Uggs, $30. Grant Hills, extra random colorway right here. I don't even think I've seen those. Got some Hoka's, size 13, with the Clifton 8. It's going for $80. I think that's about it, yo. An alarm's going on everywhere. All right, did grab these. I'm gonna check out and get the hell out of here. I did check the women's section, didn't really find anything. Yeah, if you guys like this content, make sure you guys have one. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Got plenty videos coming, so make sure you guys have the notifications on as well. And we're out, dude. We're out. Check out some of these videos if this type of stuff is interesting. Check out some of these videos as well. All right, got these for a family member. $10, dude. $10 plus tax. Can't beat that.